Guys, this is like a huge news. Claude Sonnet now supports 1 million token of context window, and now the only two models that supports 1 million context window is Gemini 2.5 Pro and Claude Sonnet 4. And there are other models, but these are the closed source models that have 1 million context window. So this is really a great news if you are into coding, or let's say vibe coding or developer. But can see the pricing is like on the higher end. When you go above 200k tokens, it's really costly, like 22.50 per million tokens. It can get costly really fast, and now it's available on bolt.new. And if you want to access it, you need to be on like Amazon Bedrock, and Google Vertex AI is also coming soon with that 1 million context support. If you are using Anthropic API, you need a tier 4. So yeah, otherwise you will not get access to this 1 million token model. And if you want to get access right now, the easiest way to use is via OpenRouter. As you can see, OpenRouter lets you also use the 1 million context window. If you go to VS Code now and use Cline, just update the latest version of Cline, then you will have access to like that 1 million context window. All you have to do is go to OpenRouter like this and search for Claude, and select any Claude 4 model. Let's select Claude Sonnet 4 this, and as you can see, the context window is now a 1 million token. So you can use it like that. So if I just check it, as you can see, the context window is 1 million. See, as you can see in Cline also, it's now available in version 3.24. So just update to the latest version. And for Anthropic users with tier 4, please select this specific model, okay, that ends with 1 million in order to use the 1 million context window. I would use it with, let's say, Gemini 2.5 Pro. I will do all the initial setup with 2.5 Pro, and if Gemini 2.5 cannot handle or cannot do the bug fix, then I will switch to the Claude 1 million context window. So that will be how I will be using because of the cost. As you can see, Gemini 2.5 is really cheap when you compare it with the Claude. Coding, we all know that Claude models, Anthropic Claude models are really better, especially 4 and 4.1. When you compare with the cost, as you can see, it's only $10, and if you go above 200k tokens, it's only $15. In Claude models, it's $22. So that is like a huge difference, and when the code base is large, and price will also go up. So keep that in mind. I hope this information was helpful. If you want me to cover more videos like this, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future updates. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great. Click that thumb.